Today, I'm here to talk about milestones in project management. If you're a parent, you probably think about milestones quite a bit. When your kid takes their first steps, loses their first tooth, learns to ride a bike, they're all moments on a journey toward shaping a fully grown adult. Milestones in project management aren't that different. They're moments on a journey toward project completion. There might not be a tooth fairy involved, and you might not send videos to all your relatives, but milestones in project management are still worth working toward, documenting, and sometimes even celebrating. Throughout a project's life cycle, project managers use milestones to measure progress toward an ultimate goal. Here are a few examples of milestones in project management. Beginning and end dates for project phases, getting approval from a stakeholder that allows you to move to the next phase, key deliverables, meetings, or events, external reviews, or budget checks. Milestones are reference points that mark significant events within a project. Without milestones, projects would be chaotic and might not ever reach their end goals in a timely manner. So, how can project managers use milestones for better project management? Well, here are a few ways. First, project managers should use milestones to improve their planning process. Think about it. Milestones are an ideal way to start plotting a project's trajectory. When you can mark out the start and end dates for a project and major progress points along the way, you understand what resources you need and when. Second, you can use milestones in project management to help motivate your team. Imagine you have a project that's going to take a year to complete. Your team is going to need to celebrate a whole bunch of small victories along the way. Celebrating their success in moving a project along really helps morale. Similarly, parents don't just celebrate when their kids go off to college. They celebrate graduations, good report cards, and even good grades on tests or papers. But just like parents have to share those milestone victories with family members, project management milestones should be visible too. A work management software that allows you and your team to visualize your project management milestones can really help. Wrike offers easy-to-use Gantt chart software that helps you plan projects using milestones, making your work management process simpler to handle.